Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we are unboxing bosch GWS 18v-11s. Let's unbox the package. Here we are having this is the user manual. User manual for charger. To 5 ampere batteries, one charger. This is the second one. Here we are having handle, flange nuts and opening wrench. This is service center directory. Here comes the this is a smart variable speed one, which is having a speed wheel here, which we can control from 1 to 6. That's it guys, that is my unboxing video of Bosch GWS 18v-11s. Thanks for watching.